So the things to consider when installing and choosing your solar system provider is the quality of the components that they're using, the longevity of the company, the longevity of the providers of the equipment. So how long has that company been around? Are they using their own installers? Are they subcontracting their work? What does the design look like? How has that design been presented to you on the roof? Are you aware of how that system's going to look on the installation? Where's the inverter going? Is that inverter going out in the sun? Is it going in the garage? All these things make up an installation. Solar is not just about price. We're not just comparing a 5 kilowatt system to a 5 kilowatt system. There are so many more factors to think about. Ask questions, look at the design, ask for the credentials of who's installing the system, and then you can make an informed purchase. People are coming to us for quality components, proven performance. We are getting our clients coming to us, they know someone who's had a system installed that hasn't lasted. We are now meeting with people who are looking to plan their next 20 years of life without an issue. They want to put something in, forget about it, and capture those savings over the life of the system.